Have slippery steps or surfaces? Are you sick of that peeling tape? Don't have time to waste with paint and sand? Get with it and GripStrip it. GripStrips are a 2-inch by 32-inch strip with over 1,800 small cleats designed to give traction in most weather conditions. GripStrips screw into treated lumber and don't use any adhesive, so they're guaranteed not to peel up or rip. GripStrips are used by homeowners, school boards, municipalities, property management companies, contractors, and more. GripStrips are quick and easy to install. Place the GripStrip about 1 inch from the front of a clean, flat step free from obstruction and position the included screws toward the outside rim of the slots. Tighten the screws all the way, then loosen them about 1/4 of a turn to allow the wood to expand. GripStrips can also be applied to concrete with the addition of anchors. They are weather resistant, withstanding -45-degree winter temperatures as well as pressure washing, salting, and shoveling. And with their built-in UV protection, they won't fade or break down in the sunshine like other plastics. With 5 years of guaranteed yield in residential settings, GripStrips are the long-lasting aesthetic solution for slippery surfaces and are available in 4 different colors: black, gray, beige, and safety yellow for high visibility. Have safer stairs in minutes with GripStrips. Available at over 1,000 stores across Canada.